Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, njengoba sazi ukuthi i-ANC isemkhankasweni wokufuna ama-political parties ezobambisana nawo ukuthi avote nayo kwi-Division of Revenue efuneka ibe khona ukuze ibhajethi izophasa ngoba ibhajethi ivotelwa kathathu noma isigaba sesithathu sengisikhohle kodwa nivotelwa kathathu ukuze igcine ifika la iphelela khona. So i-ANC ke semkhankasweni ukuthi ayithola ama-political parties ezovota nayo noma ngathiwa i-DA iyabajikela futhi ayihambisani noma ivota against i-Division of Revenue kodwa bekwazi ukuthi inhloso yabo bayiphasise ibudget. I-ANC aware ukuthi kungenzeka i-Action SA igcine engavotanga nayo kulokhu ngoba yakubeka ngokucacile ukuthi yona angeke iziwa support i-ANC uma kune value added tax ezokhuphuka. So i-ANC njengoba iseyinhlelweni zokukhuphula i-VAT manje kufuneka ithola amanye political parties ekwenzileke ibhala incwadi yabhalela umkhonto wesizwe party yabhala incwadi yabhalela i-EFF. Lama political party womabili specific kuyaziwa vele ukuthi awahambisani nokukhuphuka kwe-VAT. Kodwa ke i-ANC kulokhu iziphila ithuba lokuthi ayiwabhalele bezama ukubonisana nawo. Sizobheka ukuthi lama political parties atheni uma kukhulunyiswana nawo. Siphinde sikhulume ke ngomhlangano obukhona phakathi kwe-DA kanye ne-ANC. Sizobheka nje lezo zinto ezimbili bese siyivala ivideo. Ngicela uzwe la.
And we're going to keep on fighting for what is good for South Africa.
The ANC has accused the DA of negotiating in bad faith. Have you been negotiating in bad faith?
Well, if we could get one single example of where we've negotiated in bad faith, it would be very interesting. I mean, we haven't ever negotiated behind the backs of the ANC with parties that are not in the GNU. That is what the ANC has done, not the DA. We hold by the statement of intent, which means that we find each other through sufficient consensus. The ANC, the minute they don't agree with us, go shopping around for other partners that can give them a majority. And that is bad faith. Negotiating within the statement of intent and within the government of national unity is not bad faith.
Njengoba umuzwa kugoguzile echaza ukuthi bona njenge-DA bazoqhubeka balwela abantu base-South Africa. Futhi okunye kwesibili abuzwa khona uthi bona abakaze banegotiate in bad faith kusho ukuthi abakaze bangathembela kwi-GNU kodwa i-ANC ethi ephuma emshadweni wabo yahamba yofuna ama-political parties amanye ukuze baphasise ibudget. Ngaleso sizathu abantu abokuyibona abangathembekile nabangathembeli ukubambisana kwabo kulomshado wabo i-ANC akusibo. Okuyinkinga kakhulu ukuthi i-ANC imile ekuthenini ayikhuphuke i-VAT. Kuneyinkulumo ezaba khona ne-article ebibhalwe ku-Sunday Times la beyithi khona ANC yasicabangisisa isinqumo sawo kungenzeka igcine ingakhushulwanga i-VAT kodwa ufikile Mbalula ukhulume kanje.
We all did not agree with what Treasury came up with in terms of the budget.
Including the ANC?
Yes, of course.
You didn't agree with the 1% VAT?
With the 2%.
And the 1%?
We shifted over time to 0.5%, which we supported as the ANC. So the headline that says the ANC is now caving in and conceding to the removal of VAT, it's incorrect.
Mawulalela lenkulumo eshuwo uMbaksi la uyeza ukuthi i-ANC ibambelele ekuthenini fanele ikhuphuke i-VAT ngo-0.5 kulonyaka no-0.5 kulonyaka ozayo izoba u-16%. Kufanele ikhuphuke babambelele kulokho futhi uyabona ukuthi abazimisele nokuthi baguquke. Kodwa i-DA nayo imile ekuthenini angeke izivume ukuthi i-VAT ikhuphuke. Nayo-ke inkinga ekhona ugoguzileke uqhubekile washo kanje.
Well, we're going to win on Expropriation Act. We're going to win. We are going to win on VAT. So why should we go?
Why are you so certain you're going to win on VAT?
Because the processes now are leading to the point that there won't be a VAT increase. And I know how strong our legal cases are on expropriation.
But why are you so confident about that, Helen? You don't even have a date from the court yet. Are you that confident in your...
We do have a date for it.
ugogo uZille la uyaveza ukuthi bona ngokwabo bazowina edabeni le-expropriation, siyazi ukuthi luse-court. Bazowina edabeni le-VAT, siyazi ukuthi luse-court. Usuyasibona-ke isizathu esenza ukuthi i-ANC iqhubeke nokuyofuna ama-political parties angaphandle kwe-GNU ukuze bezokwazi ukuphasisa i-budget yabo ezobe ine-VAT. Uyasibona isizathu ngoba uyabona nje ukuthi labantu baphambene ngembono. Ngidlala-ke le nkulumo ukuze ngendlalele ukuthi kungani uMbalula bekunesidingo sokuthi abhalele umkhonto wesizwe party. Kungani futhi uMbalula abona isidingo sokuthi abhalele i-EFF eza ukuthi yona ithini. Bese ngizoletha-ke lezo impendulo ukuthi ithini i-EFF yathini umkhonto wesizwe party. Kodwa ngaphambi basingene lapho asimcaphuna uMbalula ekhuluma-ke ngomhlangano bebenawo ne-DA. Sazi ukuthi ukusuka manje kuya phambili kwenzakalani ngoba ibhizinisi phela ibabhalele ukuthi akufanele bahlukane. So noma ngathiwa beyabona ukuthi baphambele futhi izinto zabo azihlangani, kodwa isimo siyabaphoqa ukuthi abahlangane basebenze ndawonye.
Let's start off with, you've had a number of meetings this week with a number of political parties. You had one, let's start with today. You had one with the Freedom Front Plus today. How did that meeting go?
It went very well. We had very cordial discussions and frank and open. And it was a very good meeting overall, I think. We delved into issues deeper, including the budget impasse. My impressions, the meeting just ended an hour ago. I think I left there with a good impression for the meeting that South Africans can sometimes, rise to the occasion, and that's what is important.
Uma uzokhumbula kahle, FF Plus ingama yelinye leqembu elikwi-GNU kodwa elivote against i-budget. Elivote against i-budget ngoba lingahambelani nokuthi akhuphuke i-VAT ngo-0.5 this year no-0.5 kulo nyaka ozayo. Ngakho-ke i-ANC injobe ethi ihlangana nawo wonke ama-political parties aku-GNU angaphandle kwe-GNU. Angaphandle kwe-GNU iwafuna ngoba funeka ivote nawo in case lawa ku-GNU egoloza ngoba siyawazi la amabili FF Plus ne-DA impela awayivumi indaba ye-VAT. Asiqhube.
Staying in the GNU?
The GNU in itself, we are all committed to it. We are now faced with the budget impasse. And the budget impasse and how it gets to be resolved will determine whether some parties stay or they live in the GNU. But as of now and throughout our meetings with GNU partners included, they are firm about staying in the GNU, the same as the ANC, as the largest party, is committed to the government of national unity.
You also met with the DA yesterday, and I actually had Helen Zille on the show last night, and she says she has no reason to leave. The DA has no reason to leave, and they are going to push the envelope as far as they can. What was your meeting like with the DA?
The meeting with the DA equally was cordial and engaging robustly on issues. And we agreed as the two parties that matters of engagement must not be reduced to the megaphone. It is important that as much as they play their part as an opposition, we as the largest party, we have converged in the government of national unity as political parties with a clear understanding ideologically. We don't share the same ideology, but we have come together and chosen the path of the GNU for national interest.
Is the DA bullying you?
The DA is not bullying the ANC. They've got no capacity to do that, to bully the African National Congress with our 40%. What the DA is doing what in their own purview and perspective they think it is right as an opposition. So I can't speak for them. They can speak for themselves in terms of the tactics that they employ. From where we are standing, we are in the GNU. The budget framework has passed, and the DA did not vote. We need to break the budget impasse going forward with all political parties, not just the DA, and we are engaging, and that's what we're doing.
Hey, le journalist ibuza imibuzo ebaluleke kakhulu. Hayi yabona ukulalela interviews ukuthi lo muntu ubuza imibuzo ebaluleke kakhulu. Umbuzo omuhle kabi. Bazoqhubeka babe ingxenye ye-GNU na. Uyaphendula kuMbalula ukuthi bazibophezele bonke bazibophezele ekuthenini bazoba kwi-GNU. Kodwa yona le GNU nale budget izofika nesigaba la isokwenza ukuthi amanye ama-political parties angasabi ingxenye ye-GNU. Ngoba phela akukhona izinto abangavumelani ngazo. Kodwa kwe-DA kwehlukile. Uyambuza ukuthi i-DA bebekhona la baze basho ukuthi bona bazowina. Ngikudlalela ivideo ekuqaleni la asho khona uGoguzile ukuthi uzowina, bazowina bona as i-DA. Njengoba esho ukuthi cha, funeka badlale indima yabo, nabo badlala indima yabo. Njengoba bona beyiphathi enkulu ene-40%, i-DA nayo ikhona. Bayazi ukuthi baphambene nangoma ideology. Baphambene kodwa ngoba bazibophezele ku-GNU kufanele lento bayenze ukuthi isebenze. Uyambuza ukuthi i-DA bullying you na? Uthi yena cha, ayibabhulisha i-DA. Ya ukusho kukaFikile Mbalula ngoba uyabona ukuthi noma kuthiwa bayathanda akulula ukuthi bangaxosha i-DA. Into efuna bayenze nje funeka bahlale phansi babonisane baphume nekhamba ukuthi bazokwenza njani ukuya phambili ngoba bethi lento abayikhulumayo bahlangane ku-GNU bazi ukuthi baphambene ideologically kodwa into ebahlanganisile isizwe ukuthi nje lento yonke le abayenza bayenzela isizwe. Ne-DA ke maye oppose iVAT ithenzela isizwe ukuthi ikhuphuke. Nabo bathi cha ngeke bavume kucindezeleka isizwe, bavume kucindezeleka abantu base South Africa ikakhulukazi abahluphekile. Sizozwa ke manje sizocapna nje amphathi ambalwa bese sizwe ukuthi itheni i-EFF mabeya kuyo ngoba sazi kahle ukuthi i-EFF imile ekuthenini angeke isupporte ukukhuphuka kweVAT. Sizwe ukuthi i-MK party ithini ngoba nayo imile ekuthenini angeke kusupporte ukukhuphuka kweVAT.
We have agreed with everybody that we will, in the course of this week, come together, map out an agreement with all those political parties that agree on breaking the impasse. And we will look into the agreement, all of us, and we'll come together under one roof to look at that particular agreement where everybody will be party to it. And if that agreement includes VAT review, if it is possible, it will be part of that particular agreement.
Do you think
and all political parties have agreed with that approach, including the ANC.
Okay, do you think the DA should, your answer now that you're all going to meet, you're all going to figure out how to overcome this, do you think the DA, in the context of what you just answered me, should still go ahead with its application on the 22nd of April?
The question of the application of the court, in terms of the court, will obviously be reflected as part of the agreement. If whether there's going to be withdrawal or no withdrawal, if there is, what are the implications for them? I can't speak for that. So we will speak, we'll still negotiate the agreement going forward, and that's what we agreed to going forward.
Okuvezwa uMbaxi la ukuthi bazohlangana nalama representative ama political parties babe under one roof bese bekhuluma ukuthi bazoyenza kanjani ukuya phambili. Bese ke uma ngabe kukhona isinqumo esizothi cha ayireview nendaba yeVAT kuziwe nama suggestion noma ama recommendation lawa azobe eveza phela ukuthi imali izovelaphi le iANC efuna ukuyiraise ngeVAT kuyobe sekubhekwa ke lapho. Leso sinqumo esothathwa lapho isona sizosho ukuthi i-DA iyaqhubeka nokuya enkantolo noma iya withdraw icase. So iANC manje ivaleleke ekhoneni kahle kahle mawubheka ngoba i-Action SA ikubeke kwacaca ukuthi uma i-ANC ingasasigcinanga isethembiso sayo abavumelana ngaso sokuthi ngeke ikhuphuke iVAT benze okunye sekunobugirigiri ngeke bona abavote ukuphasisa le division of revenue. Manje i-ANC ke isenkingeni ngoba iyabona ukuthi amanamba wayaya ngokuncipha. Yingakho ke manje bethi cha asihlanganeni sonke. Sifike la sizothi khona cha sizamile sonke kodwa asiyitholanga indlela yokuthi ingasupplementa indaba ye-VAT. Iyona nje into evezwa uMbax la asizwe ukuthi i-MK Party ne-EFF bona batheni uma kuyokhulunyiswana nabo.
That's going to be this week.
Will you all meet together?
We said we have 2 weeks on this matter, and then to resolve this particular impasse in 2 weeks. And then we preferred, rather than us going public alone, we'll go with those who agree with the agreement of breaking the impasse. Majority of the parties passed the budget framework.
Yes.
And then now we're supposed to approach the division of revenue, DORA Act. So we want to move with an agreement if that is possible, and that will be tested now in the discussions that are going to be about the agreement going forward.
Uyabona ukuba i-ANC kulesikhathi esikuso kunzima ngempela ngoba ukube basesene majority ngabe abahluphekile kangaka ukuthi babe nama meeting angaka nama political parties amaningi. Yes, majority ivotile nabo ukuphasisa i-fiscal framework kodwa bwakubeke kwacaca lama political parties ukuthi hayi sivota ngoba nina nithi niyasethembisa ukuthi nizo-review indaba ye-0.5% kwi-VAT. So manje bayabona ukuthi ngoba lama political parties bewakhohlisile manje sekufuneka phela bakhuluma iqiniso kwasha amaXhosa bathi ukuphuma egusheni. Kufuneka manje bakhuluma iqiniso nawo bawatshela ukuthi wozani madoda sihlanganeni nani madoda nani besifazane sihlanganeni sibonisana ukuthi siphuma kanjani kule nkinga le. Yingakho ke thi bazohlangana. Yingakho ke ubona bexhuma nawo wonke ama political parties ngoba into abayifuna yi-majority ukuze bezokwazi ukuthi bayiphasise le budget ukuya phambili. Asizwe ukuthi theni EFF kanye ne-MK Party.
You also met with the EFF.
Yes.
Did you approach the EFF?
We invited all political parties to a meeting.
Why?
It is important that we talk to everybody because the budget is no longer an issue singularly that can be resolved by one political party because we don't have a majority. When you are in a GNU and a coalition, you negotiate all the time. And coming to these uncharted waters, it meant that we could have done better in approaching this budget with members of the GNU discussing, which is something that has not happened before, because Treasury actually make a determination in terms of the budget and then put it to the fore. And maybe before that, there should have been a discussion about the budget in the context of the government of national unity. But these are uncharted waters, so we learn as we go. And in this particular instance, it is important to factor in to our planning going forward as we talk about resetting the button, that how do we have better planning among political parties in the GNU and even beyond? Because we do have GNU, but we do have also supply and confidence in terms of political parties who may not be in the GNU, but we've got agreement to work together in the legislature.
Yabona uMbalula lana usevele waveza inkinga eyenza ukuthi behlukane kanje ne-DA. Hayi lento bebelokhu besitshela yona sonke lesikhathi ukuthi cha baphambene ne-DA ngoba i-DA inama demands enawo. Yebo i-DA inawo ama demands wayo kodwa i-budget le i-draftwe i-National Treasury ye-ANC yabufika bayinikeza amalokuzana ama-parties aku-GNU bese kuba sengathi ye-GNU i-budget kanti bekufanele bahlale phansi babonisane. Ngaba yikho yonke le nkinga abanayo manje kube bahlala phansi babonisana basho ukuthi i-budget bafuna ime kanjani, whereas i-treasury wayipresenta kubo bayiphikisa bebodwa. balungisa zonke lezi zinto bebodwa. Ithi fika la yethulwa khona, yethulwa bevumelene. Kodwa uyasho ukuthi amaphutha nje afanele ukwenze ngoba phela kufundwa ngendlela la, abazi nabo ukuthi bofuna kwenze kanjani. Manje iyo lento lezi eyifundwa ngendlela ngoba bebengazi ukuthi kuzosuka izinkulumo ezinjengalezi. Kodwa lento ayisho ibaluleke kabi. Yebo iDA nawo ama-demand kodwa le abayisho ishilo iDA yathi no ANC yenza sibe sengathi ine majority ngoba phela bona bavele wafika nebudget, nansi ibudget ihamba kanje, kanti bekufuneka kuboniswane ngoba kubanjiswene kushadiwe la.
Correct me if I'm wrong, your meeting with the EFF was to establish what? To figure out what? If they could support you with this, with this budget?
Yes.
Even though they're not in the GNU?
Yes.
And what did they say to you?
Well, they said that I don't want to speak for the EFF because I might misquote them.
Okay.
We have understood them as the ANC to be saying that they are open to engagement in terms of issues of the budget. They made their point very clear that they don't support VAT. They made a point that this is a DA budget, but we said that it can't be a DA budget because the DA did not vote for the framework. So the budget is the budget of Treasury, which the ANC and all other political parties interact with. Then they made their point that they don't agree with VAT. And they made their point about the DA and the Freedom Front Plus. We are not interested in that. The red lines, we are not interested in that because people say they are doing red lines, but on the other hand, they work together. So they disputed that. They said they stand on their own with regard to what they believe in, and that is it. But in the outcome of it, in the holistic and the total picture that comes out in the public, is working together if you work with others to oppose the budget, including taking it to court. But we're not interested in that. We had a very, very, very engaging discussion about what is our position on the budget. And they also explained themselves. But overall, it comes down to opposing VAT increase.
But will they support you with other votes regarding the budget
They
that
said
are
they are
coming
open
out?
to work with the ANC. That is it. They raised their issue with regard to the DA and the Freedom Front Plus.
Do they want to be part of the GNU? Only on
We
exception that
we didn't engage with that. We
It's got simply to do with the
we
budget.
engaged about the GNU and its implication with members of the GNU. There was no way we're going to discuss GNU with them because they are not part of the GNU.
What has your engagement been like with MK? They don't want to meet with you?
MK, we didn't meet with them. They wrote a letter to us and we accepted it.
And what did the letter say? We don't want to see you.
The letter said that they don't want to meddle in our affairs. That's how they characterize it. They said the budget impasse is an impasse between partners in the GNU. So they don't want to be invited into it, and they are not going to help the ANC to get out of it. So they completely misunderstood the point of engagement. So it's for them. We can't dictate terms to them. It's them.
Okay.
Usesichazelile kuMbax njengoba simzwile. Usho kodwa into efanayo nalesho uSG weMK Party uFloyd Shivambu mayethi bayitholile iletha evela kuSG weANC ukufikile Mbalula kodwa bona njengomkhonto wesizwe party angeke bayingene indaba zabo. Bona kuGNU abalungisa indaba zabo. Ngoba sebeza kubo ngoba bexakwe izindaba zabo. Lento le between ama partners njengabantu abashadileyo abalungisa indaba zabo. Usho njalo uFloyd impela wathi abafuni bona ukufakwa ngoba iANC ifuna ukuphasa ibudget ngale kweDA emveni kwalapho besibuyelana neDA futhi iqhubeka phambili wathi cha yena ngeke azavuma. Odabeni ke le EFF umbuzo obalekile sisithi mawuhlangana neEFF ubuhloso ukuzuzani. Uyachaza kuMbax ukuthi cha bebefuna ukukhuluma nabo ukuthi bavote kanye nabo. Okunye futhi akuveza ukuthi iEFF ikuvezela ukuthi yona ihambelani nendaba yokukhuphuka kweVAT. So kodwa they are willing ukusebenza neANC bona they are willing nje ukusebenza ne-ANC kodwa ngeke balunga ukusebenza ne-ANC uma kusesekhona i-DA kanye ne-FF plus. So uma i-ANC ifuna ukusebenza ne-EFF ayikhiphe i-DA ne-FF plus. Uthi kumbalula kafuni kungena kulezo ngoba ke i-EFF i-clear. Ayinankinga ukuba ingxenye ye-GNU. Ayinayo inkinga, ayifani ne-MK ayikazi yathi MK ibelievela ukuthi yona ngokwayo ingakwazi ukuzithathela yona umbuso, ingakwazi ukuwina nje country ibe ne-majority ngokwayo, ayidingi i-GNU. Kodwa i-EFF ikubeke kwacaca ukuthi yona iyafisa ukuba ingxenye i-EFF futhi u-CIC washo wathi bona they are a government in waiting, basemnyango. Balindele nje ukuthi kuvuleke umnyango kuphuma i-DA kuphuma i-FF plus bese bengena ngaphakathi. Siyazi ukuthi noma ngathiwa kuneyinkinga engakanani eyikhona ku-GNU, i-DA ngeke lenze iphutha lokuphuma khona lapha phandle nje ukuthi ibusiness ibabhaleleni ngoba bathi bona ukujoyina kwabi i-ANC kwi-GNU noma bazi ukuthi baphambene kwamapolisi nento abakholelwa kuzo bayijoyine ngoba bengafuni ukuthi kube khona i-coalition ephakathi kwe-EFF, i-ANC kanye ne-MK. Abayifisi nje leyo yenzeke futhi uStenezen wakubeka kwacaca ukuthi inkinga enkulu ye-EFF ifuna ukunationalize i-Reserve Bank. Leyo ke angeke baze bavuma impela ukuthi i-political party efuna ukunationalize i-Reserve Bank ibe semandleni. Lokho nje abakufisi nokukubona ukukwenzeka. Yingakho ke noma kungathiwa i-ANC baxhaphaza kanjani i-ANC abayuza i-ANC ayigcini zethembiso i-ANC ilanda ama-political parties angaphandle kwe-GNU ukuze abaphasise into eyithize ngokwey'nhloso zabo bezoqhubeka babekezele ngoba abafisi ukuthi kube khona i-coalition ezobe ine-ANC ne-EFF mhlawumbe ne-MK kuyo. Abayifisi nje loo nto leyo, so bangamane babekezelele noma yini ezolethwa i-ANC. Yilokhu-ke ile video bengithi angikulethele yona la uze ukuthi igcine imhlangano we-ANC ne-DA uhambe kanjani njengoba uzwile nezinto ababona nofuneka zilungiseke njengoba besho ukuthi cha kusuka manje sekufuneka babe clear ngama-plans ukuthi baplan ukwenzani nini kanjani, hayi ukuthi i-ANC vele iqhamuke nje seyithi nansi into ezokwenziwa. Saphinde sakhuluma ukuthi i-ANC njengoba ithe izothatha igxathu lokuthi ixhumane ne-MK party kanye ne-EFF ukuze bezokwazi ukuthi nabo babonisane nabo ukuze bekwazi ukuphasisa ibudget. Ikwenzile i-ANC bayithola impendulo. Ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho ngalolu daba. Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ushare, ulike, ucomment.